Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone is having an awesome day. I am having an awesome day, yeah. So, Teacher Shane has 5 vocabulary words that I want to teach you right now, yeah, in this video. Those words are very special. They are called preposition words, yeah. So, prepositions can tell you where things are. Is it in, on, under, above, behind? Teacher Shane is going to teach you those words. Yeah, we are going to say the word, spell the word, say the word, spell the word. Are you guys ready? All right, repeat after me. Here we go. The first preposition word is in. I-N, in. I-N, in. Amazing. The next preposition word is on. O-N, on. O-N, on. Great. The next word is behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Awesome. The next word is under. U-N-D-E-R, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Very good. The next word is above. A-B-O-V-E, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. All right, great job, amazing. We just learned our 5 new preposition words. Yeah, it was easy, right? Yes, it was. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I will see you guys again next time, okay? All right, bye-bye.